Hello, it's Alex McPhail. I'm on board this Airbus A350-900 with South African Airways, and this is my first flight on an Airbus 350. Today I'm flying from Johannesburg to Mauritius, and we're just descending from 43,000. I'm flying with Captain Bruce Daniels. Hi there. He's my instructor for today, and he's been showing me the ropes on this wonderful machine. South African Airways has 4 of these now, and have a look behind me. You can see all these wonderful instruments. We've got moving map displays, we've got details to scan through the weather, up ahead, up and down. The systems are fantastic. The aircraft is quiet, it's smooth, it's calm, it's efficient, fuel saving, it's green, it's wonderful. The best part was getting out of Johannesburg this morning. It was nice and smooth, and flying this aeroplane, it's like going back to the beginning of flying days where the control harmony is coordinated perfectly. It feels just right. And it's a pleasure to fly. I'm enjoying this, and I hope you enjoy the service with us too.